let's talk about getting points on Avon U. This will be a demonstration. Starting off from avonnow.com, click your menu options, and then Avon U. And if you're new, you will have to start from the beginning with the orientation. As you complete modules, it will introduce and open up more modules. And your goal is to get the badges. The badges give you points. And each module has maybe 5 or more classes on it. The classes last about 3 to 5 minutes a piece. So it wouldn't take long to accumulate points. So here I am in my Avon U. And I have done all of the modules, so when a new one pops up, it lets me know that I have a new training module. And so here I am. And this one we'll do together. This one is about the magic wand that is currently selling in campaign 20. So hit continue. And I did start this, but this is information about the product. So this will essentially help you to sell the product, to learn more. And there is a sales guide, which it says you can open the product sales guide from the Campaign Insider here. So I don't want to click on it because I don't want it to take me out right now of Avon U. Well, actually, let's go ahead and do it, because then we'll get back in it. So click on Campaign Insider. This takes you to the Campaign Insider page. I'm sorry. This takes you to what is showing on the Campaign Insider page. And when you download, this is everything that is showing. And you know what? Let's go ahead and screenshot this, because I like to use this when I'm talking about the product with people. So I did a screenshot to my phone. We'll crop it. Okay. So that's saved. And this just has the features and benefits, how to start a conversation with this, and then your selling tips. And selling tips include just spreading the word, connecting people to your online store. There is a video in here that you can share as well that is also in the shareable gallery. And then there's also a Facebook Live. So every time there's a product launch, you'll see a lot of different training opportunities for all different skill sets. So let's go back to our Avon U. And it takes us to the resource library on Avon U. And then I'm going to hit my back browser and hit it again and hit it again. And while we're in the resource library, there is lots of different printable items that will help you with your business. In fact, everything that you go over in Avon U is going to be in the folders in the resource library. So we are back to when we click on our menu options, and this is an Avon U now. Go to modules, and we're back to our module. So we're going to continue. So back where we started, when you click on these links, it takes you to another place. These are the other resources, and we talked about this. Avon Social, there are lots of pictures of this Avon magic wand. And then there's the video that you can share. So let's go ahead and look at that. Takes you to the shareable gallery. Here's the magic wand. Let's go ahead and play it. So this is something that you can share with your customers, and this connects right to your online store. So you definitely want to be able to share this. This is on, I believe it's Campaign Insider, and then the shareable videos. So that's cool. That's a cool video. And so let's get back to our Avon U. There is a Facebook Live, so that will take you to Facebook. And then it talks about the campaign insider, which is the document that we first looked at. It tells you what to look at there. So we're done with this. We've done everything. Actually, there is a video. Sorry, there is a video. I'm not going to go into it. It is 16 minutes long, and it does talk about the product and how to sell the product. So you do want to watch that to learn more about the product. Okay, so that was completed, and that gave me 10 points. And then there's more things. So the next thing is I didn't do the training for the Matitude, or I didn't finish it. So let's go into the Matitude. That was for campaign 19. It's got the educational video. So you definitely want to watch these videos so that you know what you're talking about when you're talking to your customers or when you're promoting this. And it's got 2 videos because it's got one that you can share with the team. So let's go ahead and share this with the team. This is in Venmo. And what it tells you to do, I'm going to get out of here. What it tells you to do on Venmo is you don't even have to go in, but you do want to make sure you've watched it. But right there, you can share this link by just copying it. So copy, and then you paste it wherever. Okay. There's lots of resources about the Matitude. There's even the Facebook Live. There's the virtual sales meeting. Lots of training here. So you want to, as products come out, you want to make sure you watch the product information so that you gain general knowledge about the product. And there's lots of resources. So just hit complete module. Okay, so look, I got a badge. I got another, not another badge, but I got more points. So it says, congratulations, the product education Matitude liquid lipstick is completed successfully. So it's added to my points. Now my points are at 2,614. So they add up quickly, as you can see. Okay. Other things in here. There is discussions on products, which is really cool. There's discussions on Avon, and there's different types of discussions. And a lot of this is about launching strong and talking to people. Look at this, get the conversation started. So somebody started off with, okay, this was a while ago. How do you typically start a conversation with customers you know or don't know? What open-ended questions do you use? So this person started this discussion, and then there's lots of answers. One person says, share, don't sell, and an answer to questions I've been reading in this thread. Know your product. How do you know your product? Your e-store can first be accessed by Avon now. And then edit your e-store. You can edit your URL as well. Okay, there was a time when we could edit our URL, but right now I don't see a way to do that on here. Anyway, lots of different topics, lots of different things to learn on here. There is a message option here that can message right back to your advisor, and I'm going to tell you that there's actually no notification of these messages that I know of, so I wouldn't tell you to contact your advisor that way because they might not be on here all the time like that. Okay. All right. So go back to home. And for some reason, I have uploaded, I don't know, 3-4 videos on this shortcut to success, but it's still asking me for more. So we'll do that at some point. But I did do this class. And, I did give my feedback, and I did submit several videos. So I don't know why it's still there. And then these are all the different badges and all the different program progress. So in mine, yes, I've done everything. But if you are new, you definitely want to get to the shortcut to success. Okay, so that's all I'm going to talk about right now, because people were asking me, well, how do you get points? How do you get on Avon U? How do you win this incentive? Well, it's not a matter of, well, of course, it is a matter of being chosen as the winner, but you want to get your points up there where you are in the top 20. And the number 20, when we pulled the report the last time, the number 20 was at 1,500 points. So just know that you could easily be in the top 20 if you had more than 1,500 points. And you're saying, wow, that seems like a lot of points. It is a lot of points. However, you can see that it goes by fairly quickly, and the points accumulate very quickly. So just a matter of following, and you can do this all on your cell phone if you want to. Very simple. All right, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful to you.